Who doesn't dream of long, luscious lashes? But not all of us are blessed with them. And while there are a few lash growth serums out there, it's really difficult to find the one that works for you, and they're slightly expensive. So I'm here to show you some homemade remedies that you must try out to get those beautiful long lashes that you've always dreamt of. Leave it on overnight and rinse it in the morning. Olive oil nourishes your lashes and makes them grow thicker, while Vaseline protects your lashes from drying agents and other harmful substances in the air. As a result, your lashes stay moisturized and grow out healthier and stronger. Leave it on overnight and wash it in the morning. Eggs are packed with protein and are good for hair growth. Apply the mixture and keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Apply these mixtures with either an old mascara wand or a spoolie. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for a few months and you will definitely see a huge difference. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and before leaving, do not forget to check out POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like wall clocks, phone covers, laptop sleeves and so much more. So check the link in the description below. And happy shopping! For more such skincare tips and beauty DIYs, keep watching POPxo daily.